Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on WIF. Wanted to do a quick update right here. In general, right now the market is a bit stronger. We're also seeing quite some nice momentum, I would say, for WIF. You can also see we've broken this downtrend. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts. On what's possible, what to expect, etc. I would still say, WIF at this moment is still below the 50 EMA, all right? So even though we got a nice bounce from that level at 2.3 and 2.2 here, I would still say it's bearish, all right? But I do think that there are possibilities here. I'll just say this right off the bat. I don't expect a huge rally, all right? There's too much resistance right now on top of us. I think the market is still not strong enough. Bitcoin got one bullish breakout, but that's it. And it's now trying to break above 65,000 to get another bullish breakout. But we need a more bullish Bitcoin if we actually want to see meme coins like WIF perform well again. So bullish momentum on the short term. And if you're a scalper, it's definitely possible. And that's also one of the key reasons why I wanted to make this video. But a big rally above like the strongest resistance level there is, which I think is 3.35, 3.4. A breakout above that level is not what I expect. All right, so don't get your hopes up too high. But yeah, like I said, and you also need more momentum for that. All right, what you can see now is that there is a start of nice momentum. You can see that since Bitcoin had that spike and rebounced, you can see that WIF also gained some momentum here. About $50 million in positions were being opened. But you can also see that, most of those were long, but they're not only long orders. There's also short orders in there. So I do think WIF bounced nicely. And I do think WIF has potential here on the short term, but it's not completely bullish. And the main thing I'm trying to say to you right now with that is just to be careful, all right? I am bullish on WIF on the short term. You can see that we have a lot of spot buying coming in over the course of yesterday, but also overnight. So I do think it's most likely. Also, if you look at the structure right now, the structure technically for WIF is starting to look more like a consolidation like this. So if you assume that this is a consolidation, then you would also assume that after hitting the bottom of that consolidation, we're going up to the top of that consolidation, which is $3 and 3.2 up here. And I also do think that's most likely. That's in general what I expect right now, all right? I do think, even though Bitcoin is struggling quite a bit at 65,000 here, I do think Bitcoin can push through. If you look at the short term for WIF, we are gaining momentum, and there's no significant momentum loss yet. And like I said, if you look at the technical situation, that's also most likely. Because I do think that we have broken the steep downtrend that we had before. So that's what I expect on the short term, all right? So some sort of this trend line doesn't work. Some sort of a rally up to $3 and 3.2, which is our main resistance level. And then from there, look, if Bitcoin turns very bullish, which in theory, everything's possible. If Bitcoin turns very bullish right here, then WIF can actually break out above 3.2 and 3.35. If it goes together with a massive increase in open interest, all right? So something like this. Then it's possible, but that would be pretty special, all right? That's not most likely. I cannot predict that, all right? So is that possible? Yes. But what I think is most likely is that we will get some short-term bullish momentum, but that from that resistance level, that strong resistance level that we have at 3.2, we will also find resistance again. And then, like I said, if Bitcoin continues to be bullish, if the open interest for WIF continues to be strong as well, then maybe we can set up some sort of an uptrend, but I will keep you updated on that, all right? Because I do think that this will happen before we have the opportunity to do something like that. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.